Windows are an essential part of any home in Birmingham, contributing to both the aesthetic appeal and functionality of a property. However, over time, windows can develop a range of issues that may compromise their performance, efficiency, and security. Whether it's the wear and tear of aging windows or damage caused by the city's fluctuating weather, it's essential to identify and address these problems quickly. Below are some of the most common window problems in Birmingham homes and practical tips on how to fix them fast. Drafty windows. Drafts are one of the most common issues Birmingham homeowners face, especially during the colder months. With the city's notorious chilly winters, gaps around window frames can lead to cold air entering the home, raising heating bills and making rooms uncomfortable. Drafty windows are often caused by deteriorating seals, worn-out caulk, or poor insulation. How to fix it? To quickly address drafts, inspect the window seals and replace any cracked or missing weather stripping. You can also re-caulk around the edges to ensure that the window frame is airtight. If the window itself is outdated, consider installing secondary glazing or upgrading to double-glazed units for better insulation. Adding thermal curtains can also help to reduce heat loss. Condensation between panes. If you notice condensation forming between the glass panes of a double-glazed window, it's a sign that the seal between the panes has failed. This leads to trapped moisture, which can impair visibility and affect the window's insulating properties. In Birmingham, where damp weather can be frequent, this issue is particularly common. How to fix it? Unfortunately, condensation between panes typically means the window's seal has been broken, and the window will need to be replaced. In some cases, if the window is still under warranty, the manufacturer may offer a replacement. For an affordable fix, you can have the panes resealed, but this may only be a temporary solution. Sticking windows that are hard to open or close can be a nuisance, and this issue is particularly common in older homes in Birmingham. Sticking windows often occur due to dirt and debris accumulating in the tracks or frame, causing friction. Additionally, changes in temperature and humidity can cause the wood or frame to expand, making the window difficult to operate. How to fix it? Start by cleaning the window tracks to remove any debris or dirt. You can use a vacuum or a brush to clear out the buildup. Next, lubricate the window tracks with a silicone-based spray to reduce friction. If the issue persists, check for warping in the frame and use a wood conditioner to help the frame maintain its shape. In extreme cases, you might need to replace the window sash or adjust the frame. Broken locks and hardware. A window that doesn't properly lock is a serious security concern. Broken or faulty locks can make it easier for intruders to gain access to your home, which is particularly worrying in urban areas like Birmingham. Over time, locks can become worn or damaged, making them ineffective. How to fix it? If the lock mechanism is broken, it may be necessary to replace the entire lock or the hardware components. In some cases, the problem can be solved by tightening loose screws or adjusting the lock mechanism. If you're not comfortable replacing the lock yourself, it's best to hire a professional to ensure your windows are secure and your home is safe. Broken or cracked glass accidents happen, and windows can get cracked or broken from a variety of causes, including extreme weather or impact from debris. In Birmingham, where storms are not uncommon, glass damage can occur quickly, leaving your window vulnerable to drafts, noise, and security issues. How to fix it? If your window glass is cracked or broken, it's important to address the issue promptly. For minor cracks, you can apply a temporary fix by using clear tape to hold the glass together until a professional can replace the glass. For more serious damage, it's best to replace the glass or, in some cases, the entire window. A professional glazier can help you choose the right type of glass to suit your needs and ensure that it's installed correctly. Noise pollution. Birmingham, being a bustling city, can experience a fair amount of noise pollution, which can make it difficult to get a good night's sleep. Older windows, especially single-glazed ones, are often poor at blocking out external noise, allowing sounds like traffic, construction, and the general hustle and bustle to seep in. How to fix it? To reduce noise, consider upgrading to double or triple glazed windows. These windows provide better sound insulation and can help create a quieter indoor environment. If replacing the windows isn't an option, you can also add soundproof window inserts or thick curtains, which can significantly reduce the amount of noise entering your home. Conclusion. Window problems can be a real inconvenience for homeowners in Birmingham, but many of them can be resolved quickly with some simple DIY fixes or professional assistance. Whether you're dealing with drafts, condensation, broken locks, or noise pollution, addressing these issues promptly will help maintain your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and security. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can extend the life of your windows and prevent the need for costly replacements.